Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about halt in WP-CLI. So what is halt? So it is used to stop execution with a specific return code. So what is return code? First let me show you one thing from the previous video. So in the previous video we talked about WP error. So we created this custom command called BWP error, and if I execute this with the error we see this status this code over here. So this is a return code. Whenever error occurs, this is the default return code 1, and using this halt we can return a specific code over here except 1. Whatever you want to return you can return. So that is the halt. So before jumping into the code, this is my local site for which I'm gonna create a new custom command. This is my custom plugin. I'll be adding code inside this custom plugin, and if you are watching this video directly, I would suggest to follow this playlist. Let's do WP-CLI from this season 2 episode 1, so that you know what I am doing. So yeah, I'm gonna open my custom plugin. Let me make little smaller. This is my WordPress repo, and inside WP content plugins my plugin includes, and this is the file custom CLI commands. So this is the previous custom command I have created. Now I will create a new sub command called BWP halt, and all the sub commands accepts these two parameters, and what function we need to use for halt. So for halt we need to use this command, and return code whatever you want. Let's say I'm gonna return 400, and let's try to execute this sub command. So this is my custom command. So, and this is my root of WordPress setup. So I'm gonna run command WP, then the BWP, then this sub command, and enter. So as you can see, we are getting this error code. So I'm not sure why it is displaying 400. Sorry, let's print something over here. WP-CLI line stopping with custom code. Let's try now. Okay, it's still giving us 144. Maybe that's something we cannot use. Yeah, I think 400 it's already used somewhere. I'm not sure, but yeah, let's try to use 200. Okay, we are getting 404. Okay, it's giving us something different when it comes to 400. I'll look into that with proper explanation. I'm not sure why 400s are giving again into 100s. So the pattern is when we wrote 400, it gave us 144, and if we add 404, it adds 4 more inside this. Um, Interesting. Let's try 400. It should give 144, 399. Sorry, I'm just exploring. Okay, I think it's something to do with some limitation. But yeah, this is how you can use halt. So let's try to use at some proper place. So for that, I'm gonna use this subcommand get items, which prints the data from particular post type. Let me execute this command. WP-BWP get items and book. We already have this post type book here, and this command I have already covered in this playlist, so you can watch that. And here we are checking if any post type doesn't exist. Previously we were displaying an error. Let me show you that. So add any random post type and it displays it doesn't exist, error with status code 1. Now we are going to return different status code. So I have converted the error into line, and I will halt this command with status code 2. So first let me execute the command with correct post type, and now let me execute with random non-exist post type. So it is displaying this line with this error code. So yeah, this is how you can use halt in WP-CLI. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys. All the related links are in the description section. Thank you.